Sasa here, and today in this video, I'll be showing how I made this backdrop. This is from the anime Gintama. It's from the ninja arc. I decided to start filming this after I was halfway done, so I'm just going to show a sample of the beginning steps. So this is supposed to be a fake wall. I'm using a thick white canvas material. I want this fake wall to be easily transportable. That's why I decided to make it out of fabric instead of wood or cardboard. The fabric has polyester in it. I'll need to use synthetic dye and use a stovetop method in order to dye it. For the best results, make sure you read the instructions on the packaging. To make the lines for the fake bricks, instead of measuring each distance and marking it out with a pencil or pen, I fold the fabric in half, and then I fold it again, and I create the lines that way. I use pins to mark the halfway points, and then with my ruler, I draw a line with the pencil. For the full-size version, I use multiple pins to mark the line. I'm using black polyester ribbon for the lines. I melt the ends with a lighter so that there's no more fraying. You can only do this if the ribbon is polyester. If it's cotton, it will burn and turn black. When I need to make straight lines on my sewing projects, I like to use ribbon because it's already perfectly straight. It's fast and easy to sew on. If you use paint, the line may or may not be as straight, and also you have to wait for the paint to dry. To make the vertical lines, I fold in half and fold in half again. And then to make the next row, I would make a line in between the middle of the previous line. I sew the short vertical lines on first. I finish the edges with a serger, then I fold it under and I hem it once. Use the same thread color. This is just an example only. You need to sew all the vertical lines first before doing the long horizontal ones. That way you can cover all the ends of the ribbons. At the ends of the long ribbon, I fold under the edges. I sewed ribbon loops at the top for easy hanging. I used the pencil to sketch on the artwork before painting. Here is a sample of how I blended two colors. So you're going to need 3 paintbrushes, one for yellow, one for pink, and one for the blending part. The pink and yellow paintbrushes, you want to make sure you don't contaminate their colors because you need to go back into the pot for more paint. I'm using both fabric paint and regular acrylic paint. When the acrylic paint dries, it will make the fabric a little bit more stiffer. Since this wall is for display only, I don't have to worry about that. It's better to use fabric paint for fabric, especially when you're wearing it, so that the fabric keeps its flexibility. I use the fabric paint for places where I wanted it to be more opaque, and I use the acrylic paint for larger spaces where it's okay for it to be semi-transparent. If my videos and tutorials helped you create something, please tag me. I would love to see your work. Please check out my channel for playlists on the many hobbies that I have. You can support me by buying me an online coffee, which is a donation of increments by $3, or you can buy anything from my Etsy shop. Thank you, and I really appreciate your support. Have fun with your projects and have a great day. Thank you. Bye bye.